Well, good morning, travelers. Captain Carmen here in Seoul again. It's just a little after 8 o'clock. It's probably about 40 degrees, hence the hat. I am right at the start of the Cheonggyecheon walk. I'll show it behind me, and then I'm going to show you some as I walk. This is a public space that was created. It's about 7 miles. It's about 6.8 miles long, and it's supposed to be absolutely gorgeous at night. I didn't have a chance to get here at night, but I wanted to at least see it at some point. And it's just space where people can walk. They built this river, so to speak. I think at one point it was becoming in disarray or wasn't attracting the best people. So they made it this beautiful space that people spend a lot of time at and just relax and enjoy it. And again, like I hear, it's supposed to be gorgeous at night. So let's go take a little bit of a walk while I'm here. So like I said, this was created as a public space for people to just relax and be. So it's really kind of neat. I'm really glad I'm getting to see some of it. There's markers and things all over the place. And the streets above from the city are marked obviously on the bridges. Just beautiful. Wow. So came up from up that way. So let me do some strolling and I'll be right back. I'm gonna try going across if I can. Let's see. They have safety people out here, guiding people across safely. Told me it was okay to go across. It's beautiful. 감사합니다. So you can see from the picture how big it is. Only done one little piece of it. Goes all the way down. So I just crossed over again to the, I think the south side, but just to give you an idea. And I cannot imagine how cool this must look at night. But it seems like the majority of the people right now, it's a little after, it's about 8:15. I think the majority of the people right now are going to work. Seen a couple people who were running, and it's probably hopping on the weekends. So really, really cool. I'm glad I made it out this morning to check her out. There's all these neat little things hidden in the city. Just gotta look for them and take the bus, which is essentially what I did. Cheonggyecheon Riverwalk, Seoul, Korea. So I walked back across, and the stream kind of narrows, as you can see, and then you can kind of walk in what would be the riverbed that was here. Now I don't think this ever fills up with water. I think they control it, but just a beautiful space. If you'd imagine being able to walk on this every day to work. With all this big work, not too bad. Just pretty. And of course there's the guy over there weed whacking, so I'll go a little further and do some more. We'll close it out here with a little Cheonggyecheon. I don't know if you can see it, but in all the rocks, there's lights. So that must look really amazing at night. Just cool. So cool. And here's a little bit of it from above. I just came up over there. The waterfall, I don't know if you can see it, it's behind those trees coming out over there. But you can see all the rocks where the lights are. It's really cool. So I just got off this train, subway. It's Seoul state. I'm at the Seoul station. It was line 1, and those metal seats are heated, and it was absolutely a joy because it's 40 degrees out. I sat down and I was like, oh, this is great. Oh, it's fun.